Hello everyone and welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss Bitcoin with you because Bitcoin is creating this bull flag formation on the 4-hour time frame and it will break soon. I will also discuss some altcoins with you. I will discuss Ethereum with you. I will discuss VeChain with you on the daily chart. I will also discuss Chainlink with you because it's making some interesting price action on the weekly time frame. And of course, I will discuss Bitcoin more in depth on the several time frames. Don't forget to like this video on your way in and comment under the video to support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe. Let's dive into the charts. So as we can see, Bitcoin is creating this bull flag formation on the 4-hour time frame. We can see a huge impulse on the price since last Sunday, and we can see a huge uptrend. And now Bitcoin is consolidating in this range, and it's creating this bull flag. To measure the breakout target for the bull flag, you just copy the uptrend and paste it on the downside of the bull flag. And then we can see the bull flag is getting a breakout target of around $76,000. So if Bitcoin reaches this point, we are already making a new all-time high already. If we then look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see this inverse head and shoulders I've been talking about was breaking out on the top side. So we broke the neckline resistance and retested this as support, and then we shot up again. And we are now consolidating, which is forming the bull flag. We can also see lower lows and lower highs are forming for Bitcoin. And here we can see a higher high forming, which indicates the right shoulder. And we are now, this was the still a lower high, but now we are creating a higher high, and this indicates a trend reversal. So an invert head and shoulders pattern is a typical bullish bias pattern, as we can see a trend reversal is happening. Bitcoin on the weekly time frame is looking very bullish, if you ask me. We can see Bitcoin created a lot of bullish momentum, of course, and we are going parabolic since the last weeks. And then we saw the touch of the last autumn high, and we got a little bit of a rejection from there. But now we can see the previous resistance is turned into support, and from that point we are bouncing, and we are already up for 6% already. And what, of course, we all want to see is a continuation of the uptrend further. And yeah, the bull flag formation breakout has a target of $76,000, as we said. Bitcoin is looking very bullish right here, if you ask me, on the weekly time frame. And all this bullish price action is, of course, tanked by the Bitcoin ETF. And last day we saw a huge net inflow of 480 million US dollars. Because last week we saw a lot of negativity, so 5 days of net outflow. On Monday it was 50 million inflow, so yeah, it was a little bit of positiveness. But yesterday we saw a huge inflow again of 480 million, and we can see the Fidelity Bitcoin ETF is buying in heavily, and yeah, they bought more than 500 million in 2 days already. And also BlackRock is starting, but yeah, the Grayscale is still selling their Bitcoin, and once they are done, I think yeah, the 100K will be there in no time. Let's then have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum on a weekly time frame, I discussed a lot about it. We can see this big resistance level is too strong for Ethereum on the weekly for now. Yeah, we can see a big of rejection, and what I wanted to see is this happening. So then we can create a huge cup and handle pattern, and this is also a typical bullish bias pattern because we can test the resistance again. And if we then look at the 4-hour time frame for Ethereum, we can see also a trend reversal happening because we can see a high, lower highs and lower lows, and also a lower low and lower high. But here we are making a higher high. So yeah, what I want to see is this is a low. What I want to see is a lower low, and then we make it again a lower and higher high, and then we can test the resistance again and maybe shoot up, yeah, visit the levels above the $4,000. I also want to have a look at a VeChain on the daily time frame. VeChain on the daily time frame is yeah, a little bit bearish if you ask me, because yeah, we can see this uptrend, which is beautiful, of course. Then we can see consolidation into this pattern. There were two scenarios according to me, because we could also shoot up and then retest the previous resistance as support, and then further continuation to the upside. But yeah, we can see VeChain broke down, so the bearish scenario is playing out. and we are currently making a retest. So yeah, and we can also see a little bit of rejection here. I think this is a bearish break, and we can aim for lower levels. Of course, what we want to see is a continuation of this uptrend, and we go into the formation again and invalidate the whole formation. But yeah, maybe VeChain will see lower levels from here, so be careful here. And the last altcoin I want to discuss with you is Chainlink on the weekly time frame. Chainlink is looking a little bit more bullish than the other altcoins. We can see this huge consolidation range for Chainlink in the bear market low. So yeah, if you bought in this huge block, you had a lot of time for it. I think yeah, it's $75. So more almost 2 years, you had the time to buy Chainlink for very cheap. And now we are seeing this uptrend happening in the weekly time frame. So we can see this uptrend, some sort of consolidation in a megaphone pattern, and we broke out, retested it as a support. And yeah, what we want to see is the continuation of the uptrend. The last all-time high for Chainlink was at $55. Yeah, and we are already at around $20 in the early stages of the bull market. So yeah, for me, I think Chainlink will easily reach 3 digits in this bull cycle. So the most important thing for today is to watch this bull flag formation. And yeah, of course, we all want to see the next big move for Bitcoin to the upside with a target of the 76,000 US dollars. Yeah, let's see if this happens today. So this was it for today. Don't forget to follow me on my X channel where I post a lot of more crypto related news in depth. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. I also have a free Telegram group you can join for free, of course, and where I will discuss Bitcoin more in depth. I hope you liked this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.